Welcome. InfoNomi is a VIVO Y31, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, what you could do is use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap around it. If it does, you can just cut it off. Anyway, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right over here. And you want to push the pin in. When you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. And it looks like I might have lied to you. We don't have space for SD card, unfortunately, as this is just a dual SIM. So anyway, I'm just going to grab a SIM card in this case, plop it down here. There's nothing holding it in place other than gravity. So when inserting this back into your device, just be careful. Make sure that the card is in place correctly. If the tray isn't going in there easily, probably the card might have just popped out of its place and is wedging itself between the tray. So just make sure everything is in place. Now from there, once you insert the card, it should, there we go, start working right away, hence why it's prompting me to now confirm my SIM card pin. Once I do so, the card is unlocked and ready to go. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.